Very good morning. Sunny and warm to hot weather continues this Sunday for the bulk of South Africa, but we are starting off the day with quite a bit of fog over the coastal areas and the Durban interior, light rain as well over parts of the Eastern Cape and along the south coast and also the southwest coastline of the Western Cape. That light rain could spread into the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal later on. It is going to be partly cloudy for parts of the Northern Cape, Free State, down into KwaZulu-Natal and possibly parts of Mpumalanga as well. Sunny skies for the bulk of the northwest and all of Limpopo. And we're expecting moderate to fresh winds to continue for much of the country. The winds would be rather strong, however, around Gqeberha, where winds reaching speeds of 35 kilometers per hour are expected. Now, because it's going to be dry and hot over much of the interior, we have that extensive area of high fire danger conditions expected all the way from the eastern parts of the Northern Cape into the eastern provinces, including the northwestern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. Now, with that, let's take a look at how hot it is going to be for your part of the country. Temperatures around 31 degrees for Bloemfontein, Vryburg, Mahikeng, and also for Polokwane and Johannesburg. Pretoria peaks at 32 degrees. It gets even hot as we go towards the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Pietermaritzburg 34, Umnambiti 34 degrees as well. Warm for Port St. John's, peaking at 27 degrees. It gets cooler as we go towards the Eastern Cape coastal areas. East London 22, 20 for the high in Gqeberha. A mild 19 for George. Cape Town also peaks at just around 20 degrees. It will be hot for Upington with a high of 32. On Monday, we stay with light rain in the Eastern Cape, spreading into KwaZulu-Natal. It will be warm to hot once again for the central and northern parts. That's all from me for now.